Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla took a little bit of a beating today, so we are down $18.59. Down 2.46%. We closed at 736.27. Post-market, we seem to be down a further 1.36. Let's look at the damage. Big red candle. Look at the wick of that candle. We went and pretty much went right smack on the resistance that we had drawn. So the stock opened right here. So it opened quite high. So the hopes were good that maybe Tesla was going to break out of this resistance. But no, the stock just went down and we broke through 750 support that we have on the 1 hour chart and also broke through 741. So that's a bit surprising. It could have held on to 741, but it did not. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. I had drawn this yesterday. So this is the last candle of yesterday. So we were in this downtrend and today we broke out of this very local resistance. I'm going to remove it down now. So first hour here. So we broke outside of the resistance and we seem to be quite strong. The only thing was that stochastic was at 66. So you can always use stochastic. If you see a move up and you see that stochastic is not registering that move up, don't believe in the move up. So this sounded nice, but stochastic was saying, no, this is not very good. This was at 66, and just prior yesterday we were at 60. With a stochastic around 50, 60, there's no moves to be had. And then what did happen? It just continued to drop. It maintained itself pretty good. I'm going to give it that. It maintained itself pretty good during the first 4 hours. So maintained itself over 750. But then at 1:30, we crossed 750 and we just went down ever since. And now stochastic is at 5. We tried to break this resistance one more time and it just did not succeed. Let's go back to the daily chart to see about this damage in terms of the indicators. Stochastic starting to go down at 75. RSI is coming back into this, underneath this resistance. That's to be expected. The two lines are getting a little bit closer. Then DMI was also impacted by that. So a little bit disappointing, but what can we do? We had a nice run here. We had a nice run from 648 to 750, 60, let's say. So this was a nice run, part of this upward channel. So basically we go from support to resistance to support and resistance. Right now I have no choice but to, I'm going to remove this for now. So I have no choice but to start doing this resistance here. So this is the angle of the lower highs that we made since September 8th. So September 8th, September 9th, and September 10th. This is the slope of the resistance. We are going to consider, for now, we can always change it later if we see that it doesn't fit, but we are going to consider that we are going through this downward channel. You see that I copied this resistance because the channels are always parallel. So the support and the resistance are parallel. And when I do that parallel thing, look at how perfectly the low on September 7th matches the same slope with the low of September 10th. So this is our downward channel that we need to watch. The stock might be coming up on Monday and Tuesday, but now the stock is subject to this downward channel and we need to take that into account. We can remove this one here because we don't need this one anymore. That is going to be it for me today. So thank you very much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Join me this weekend where we are going to look at the weekly chart of Tesla and Palantir. You need to be a YouTube member to do that. It's only $5 a month. We have a TradingView affiliate link if you are interested in using this wonderful tool that I love to hate, hate to love. I'm joking, but this is a very good tool. If you know a better tool, tell me and I'll use it. But so far, this is the best I've seen. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.